Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. The other day I did a poll on my Instagram and I asked what tutorial should I do next, and many of you asked me about the eyebrows, so I thought I put together a little tutorial for you guys. So if you want to see how you get these amazing eyebrows, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be starting off with a spoolie just to brush my brows and ensure that they are in place. And then going in with the It Cosmetics angled brush, dipping that lightly into the NYX Tame and Frame, and that is in the color Espresso. Starting at the top of the brow, you want to shape the outline of your actual brow. If you have smaller brows and you want to overline, you can do so as well. And you're just going to lightly stroke and just keep dipping in every time you need extra product. You want to make your lines in the same direction that your hairs are falling. And then you want to outline the bottom part of your brows, following that same shape again, using smaller strokes just to make it look like it's actual hair, not like a tattoo. And then you want to flip the brush like so and move the brush upward again to make it look like hair. The goal is to make this look as natural as possible, but filling in those sparse areas so that your brows don't look bald. And they look full, beautiful. Using your spoolie whenever you need to, just to move those hairs up so that way you're filling in anywhere that's needed. And you want to just keep dipping in your brush into the product until you get the desired amount. You want to start with little to no product and just build your way up. Then you want to go in with NYX Control Freak. This is in the color clear. You're just going to brush off any excess amount and just brush those hairs in an upward motion. This is just going to ensure that your brows stay in place. Using the JH41 brush, I'm going to dip that into the soft ochre paint pot. Now you can use any kind of concealer that you want. I just had this and it was just easier for me, so I'm using this. And you're just gonna use this to kind of clean up any kind of mess and kind of define those brows more neatly. And again, you're just going to follow the shape of the brow, outlining the underneath. Using BH Cosmetics brush to blend out any harsh lines. And that's pretty much it. Now one brow down, on to the next. Going in with that It Cosmetics brush again, dipping it into the Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. And you're gonna just repeat the same steps on this brow, again starting in the center and small strokes. Just kind of work your way down, hair-like motions, outlining the top of the brow and slowly working my way. Remember to start with very little product. The Anastasia pomade is definitely more pigmented than the NYX, whereas the NYX was definitely more a wax consistency. So definitely starting off with very little product on the brush and building your way up is a must, because you want to ensure that you have that fade effect. Oh, and I also did not apologize in the beginning of this tutorial for the lighting and for the different room setting. I must have filmed this part 3 times. The first time I had technical difficulties with the camera. The second time I filmed it, did not even realize I had one earring on, and I was like, no. Time to do this over. And because I lost my beautiful lighting for the day, I decided to film it in my bathroom. It all still worked out. Now going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel in the color Espresso. I did want to get the clear gel, but they were like out of stock. So I decided to get the espresso, not the dark brown, because I didn't want one eyebrow to look black and the other one look more natural. So again, moving that brush in an upward motion, going in with the JH41 brush, dipping that into your concealer, starting at the brow bone, making sure you are outlining the underneath and cleaning off any excess. Now here's a little technique. If you take the brush and put it right between the brow, you can ensure that your brows are even. Now, here's something to know. They are sisters, not twins. So don't go beating yourself over the head because they're not perfect. Back in again with that BH Cosmetics brush and just blend out any harsh lines. Another tip is you can use your finger. You honestly do not need a brush. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. Hope this video helped. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Comment down below what you guys use on your eyebrows. And let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Stay blessed. Love you. Why can't I just get this straight? Just spray. When nothing goes right, just spray.